what is the problem with scalability of labeling data? Is it just the fact that now we have enough computation and we don't have enough labeled data sets, or what is the scalability problem in AI? Please explain that to us.
So the scalability comes from how the data itself is evolving. It comes from, that's the first part. And then the second part is the amount of data and the number of models and the number of applications has grown significantly. Now, of course, as the sheer volume grows, that means there is much higher demand. And on top of it, it's getting more and more complex. In the early days, it was, is this a cat or a dog? And now the models are good enough to do that. We need humans for more and more complex stuff. And you need labeling that requires medical knowledge, for example, specific medical knowledge, specific dental knowledge, legal knowledge, language knowledge, and so on and so forth. And that creates a whole new problem, because not only the demand is growing, but actually the supply is kind of shrinking.
Mm-hmm.
So it's getting hit from both angles. And the question is, well, how do you solve that? It's a very interesting, very difficult problem, and that's why we exist. That's why we wake up every morning and get dressed and to solve that problem. How do we make this really, really complex issue way simpler, so that we can allow supply to grow once more?
Hey, if you like this video and you want to watch the full episode of this podcast, click on the link to your left. And if you want to learn more about artificial intelligence and machine learning, click on the link to your right. And do not forget to click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And you can also follow us on Spotify, X, and Instagram.